Hello everyone, this is ninth video, first chapter. In this video, we'll solve question number 55. From the following information and the receipts and payments accounts of Delhi Medical Society, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2021 and balance sheet as at that date. So receipt and payment account is given. Some additional information is also given. We'll start with income and expenditure account. First of all, to balance brought down, this is the item of balance sheet. To entrance fees 5500, by entrance fees on income side 5500. To subscriptions 1,80,000. Subscription in areas in the beginning of the year amounted to rupees 3,500 and at the end of the year rupees 5,500 were outstanding. So on the income side, buy subscription 1,80,000 plus outstanding at the end 5,500 minus outstanding at the beginning, the total will be 1,82,000 rupees. Next is donations and life membership fees. Donation will be written on the income side and life membership fees is a liability. To government grant for polio eradication project. This is a specific grant. It's an item of balance sheet. To proceeds of seminar. By proceeds of seminar 23,200 rupees. To interest on deposits 2,400 and as usual the deposit is given 1,20,000 made on 1st October. So 8% of 1,20,000 is 9,600 and 4,800 will be the interest of half year. We have received 2,400 only. It means 2,400 is still outstanding. So buy interest on deposit 2,400 plus outstanding interest on deposit 2,400, total 4,800. Buy rent 16,800. They are saying that the club paid 3 months rent in advance both in the beginning and at the end of the year. 16,800 is for full year. So 3 months rent will be 4,200 plus advance at the beginning minus advance at the end 4,200 each. Then buy annual dinner, buy lighting charges, buy books. Books are assets. It will be not shown in income and expenditure. To annual dinner expenses, to lighting charges, to office expenses, to seminar expenses. These are office expenses. This expense of medicine will not be shown in income and expenditure. It will be deducted from government grant for polio eradication project in the liability side. Similarly, this expense will also be deducted from this. Office expenses we have already written. Fixed deposit is an asset. Seminar expenses we have already written, and these balances are related to balance sheet. On 31st March 2020, the club possessed books of rupees 2 lakhs and furniture 85,000, provided depreciation on these assets 10%, including the purchase during the year. So depreciation on books will be 22,480. Opening balance of books was rupees 2 lakh. Purchase during the year is 24,800. This is the purchases during the year. 10% of this is 22,480. Depreciation on furniture 10% of 85,000, 8,500, and income and expenditure will result in surplus of 87,320. After that, balance sheet. Firstly, we have to form opening balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1st April 2020. Cash in hand is given in the question 31,900. So cash in hand 31,900. Balance, opening balances of books and furniture is given in the additional information. Outstanding subscription and advance rent is also given. So furniture 85,000, books 2 lakh rupees, subscription outstanding at the beginning was 3,500 and advance rent 4,200. The balancing figure will be capital fund 3,24,600. Now the closing balance sheet. Liability side start with the balance of capital fund. Surplus will be added to that. Life membership fees, which is given in the Receipt side to 25,000 rupees. After that, government grant 2 lakh. Expenses for medicines and salaries to doctors will be deducted out of that grant. The balance will be 20,000 and total 4,56,920. Closing cash and bank balances of receipt and payment account will be written on the asset side. Books, opening balance plus purchases minus depreciation. Balance, furniture, opening balance minus depreciation. Balance, subscription outstanding, closing 5,500. Advance rent for this year 4,200. 8% fixed deposit and the interest accrued on fixed deposit 2,400. So this is your closing balance sheet and this is your question number 55. Thank you.